जय हिंद दोस्तों. Everyone is debating that rape, education, roads and infrastructure ये सब independence से कैसे connected है. Let me just defend and bring it up to you what independence really is. True independence is not just that British left the country. True independence is four things. Political. Yes, we have political independence. We all can agree to that. We live in a democracy. Second, bodily. That I can walk alone at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. without any fear. Thinking that it is my country, my road, my street. That my country provides me. Intellectual. That I can change my mind when I learn the truth. ये intellectual freedom है. We will talk about this in brief. And the fourth, economic. That my degree, my land, my city actually really supports me. If any one of these is missing, we are only half independent. Okay, so one thing that today's generation really needs to understand in intellectual freedom is when you develop your knowledge, when you see the truth and you change your beliefs, that is not called a hypocrisy. Okay, hypocrisy is when you know the truth, when you see the truth and still support a lie. Because मैंने तो पहले ये बोला था, अब मैं मेरा पक्ष बदल नहीं सकती. ठीक है, ये मेरी ज़बान की बात है. Okay, changing your beliefs to support the truth is the highest form of intellectual independence. Let me just bring it back to you, okay? कि आपकी असली इंटेलेक्चुअल इंडिपेंडेंस यही है कि आप सच को देखते हुए अपना पक्ष बदलते हैं. Okay, and it is what our freedom fighters did. They unlearned the slavery. उन्होंने गुलामी को त्याग दिया. जब उन्हें पता चला कि हम गुलामी कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने गुलामी को त्याग दिया. So let me just connect the dots here. Okay, so does women's safety connect to the independence? Yes, 100%. Because if a woman is not safe and free in her own streets, what freedom are we really talking about? और रोड की तो बात छोड़ ही दें, आजकल तो कोई घर में भी सेफ नहीं है. Does education system or education crisis connect? Yes. If my education doesn't make me independent, it made me dependent on a broken system. Does land, infrastructure, socio-economic crisis connect? Yes, because independence promised us that you will not have to beg for roti, kapda, makan and insaf. These are not separate from the issues, okay? These are not any separate issues. These are unfinished chapters of independence. We got our freedom from the British, but we have not yet got our freedom of dignity for every Indian citizen. Okay? So today, I will host a flag proudly like a very proud Indian because political freedom was very, very hard to win. It was a very hard one. हम सबको पता है कि हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने कितनी मशक्क़तों के बाद हमें आज़ादी दिलाई है. But I will also exercise my intellectual freedom to say the truth, to change my opinion about the truth. And when the truth changes, I will change my opinion too. And to demand that bodily and economic freedom should be the next. This is not an anti-nationalist, okay? That's what a true patriotism is. Jai Hind means let's finish the work of independence. Jai Hind का मतलब यही है कि हम हमारे अधूरे कामों को, अधूरी इंडिपेंडेंस को पूरा करेंगे. Political freedom we have. Dignity freedom is still pending. जय हिंद, जय भारत.